It's Wednesday afternoon. Your energy is crashing. Your brain feels foggy. And your first instinct is to reach for another cup of coffee or an energy drink or a sugary snack to push through the rest of the day. But if your nervous system is already raw from a demanding week, pumping more caffeine into your bloodstream doesn't give you real energy. It simply forces your adrenals to secrete more cortisol, leaving you feeling trapped in that exhausting state of being wired but tired. You look functional on the outside, but internally your heart is racing and your energy is entirely depleted. As an international holistic consultant who has managed high-stress wellness projects globally, I've seen how corporate cultures across the world combat this midweek wall without relying on stimulants. The secret lies in a unique class of botanicals called adaptogens. And unlike caffeine, which robs your body of future energy reserves, adaptogens literally help your body adapt to stress by modulating your own physical response to cortisol. They don't speed you up or slow you down. They bring your nervous system back into a steady baseline of equilibrium. So if you need to restore your mental clarity midweek or anytime without the jittery crash, these are the 3 best adaptogens to introduce into your routine. The first is ashwagandha. And this is the gold standard for lowering high cortisol and taking on the sharp edge off of the high-functioning anxiety. It gently tells an overactive nervous system that it's safe to calm down. And second is holy basil, or it's called tulsi. Excellent for clearing that specific midday mental fog and relieving the physical tension that builds up in your shoulders and neck after hours at a desk. Oh my goodness. And third is Rhodiola Rosea, ideal for physical and mental exhaustion. Rhodiola supports cellular energy production, helping you finish a long shift with a steady resilience instead of running on toxic fumes. Oh, how really wonderful. Remember, supporting your well-being doesn't require a flawless, overwhelming lifestyle overhaul, my friends. When you're exhausted, don't try to change your whole life all at once. Focus on my signature rule. Not everything, just 5%. Swapping out just 1 afternoon cup of coffee for a soothing cup of ashwagandha tea is a perfect 5% shift that structurally protects your nervous system. And to dive deeper into botanical support, make sure to watch my dedicated 9-video adaptogen series that's right here on the channel. And I'm going to link it above. And if you want to try these specific herbs in professional grade teas or capsules, I've opened up access to my Fullscript personal dispensary via the link below so you can source the exact formulas I recommend to my private clients. This is Shirley, your holistic lifestyle specialist. Protect your energy, focus on your 5%, and I'll see you in the next video.